Hey there, what's up? So I wanted to talk today about a life-saving tool from Avid called the AVID Attic. So what happens when you crash and you say, "Oh my God, I lost all that media. I lost what happened." You can get a older version of the bin in the AVID Attic. So let's go over that right now. I have this bin right here called BT Masters, and it has this cut right here. And let's say if I completely crashed, I had to shut down, I had to restart the whole computer. I want to go back to my latest version of possible of where this bin would be. It's called BT Masters. So what you're going to do is go into your computer and you need to find your projects folder. I don't personally think you should keep it on a C drive, but maybe that's where you keep it, on your computer hard drive. Hopefully you keep it in the cloud or on a network or something you can back it up easily. So mine is here. Here's my project folder, and in your project folder is another folder called Unity Attic. In this case, it has the word Unity because we're on a Avid Unity system, but you might just say Avid Attic, might say other terms depending on what kind of drives your Avid's on, but you will find this term Attic. And you're going to open that up, and inside the Avid Attic, you're going to have folders with all the different projects you've been working on. The Attic has been saving old versions of your bins behind the scenes as you work the whole time. So in this case, I know my project was right here, and in each project it's gonna have a folder that says here where are the bins. Open that up. My bin was called BT Master, so let's open that up. So what it's doing here is saying, wow, it saved this bin, this date at 6:19 p.m. and then it saved it 2 minutes later, and geez, it saved it every minute for some reason for a while, and then it kept saving it, and it saved it again at 7:40, right? So this 7:40 would be the latest version. So let me bring that out here. So what I'm going to do, and again, you might want to copy and paste this as if this is on your C drive, but I'm going to bring this to my desktop. This is the way I would do this anytime I have to do something like this. So I'm just going to drag this on my desktop, and for shigiggles, I will drag this one that was made at 6:19 p.m. onto my desktop. So what you have here are these two bin files, but Avid, your computer doesn't really see them without the extension, and this is the key part, and people get messed up with the Attic. You have to put .avb, AVB. Hit return. You're going to get this error message. If you change the file, this file might become unusable. You can risk it. Don't worry about it. This comes up every time, and people even say no, and they're afraid that they're going to mess something up. Don't worry about it. You can change it. Don't be afraid. Hit yes, and you see now this file has now changed into a bin. I like to leave the numbers on it in case I get confused later, so I just go to the end, .avb, hit return, get this error message again, hit yes, and now I have these two bins that are on my desktop that are older versions of this bin, which in hyper theory maybe it crashed or something like that. So you're going to open this original bin, and we'll find that it's on my desktop, right? So now what's going to happen is I'm going to open this bin, and Avid's going to say it's unable to open this bin file. It says why, because its copies of this bin is already open. Avid's like, I can't open this bin. You already have this bin open. It gets a little confused with that. So one thing you know beforehand, have the bin that you're opening closed already. You don't want to have the duplicate bin open, right? So I'm going to go back to the desktop, and let's open this 26. And wow, okay, so this was from an hour ago. If you saw the bin I had before, I had 5 clips in it. I had a finished sequence, and the clip was from 6:19. This is what Avid saved at 6:19 p.m. And great, okay. So let's say, in a sense, oh, well, I wanted to see that later one, that one that was saved at, I think it was like 7:40 p.m. Okay, great. So now it had all these 6 sequences that I did, and will it be done? Yes, that was the latest finished version of it. What would I do with this now? I would make a duplicate of it, Control D. I would drag that into my stuff bin. I would close this bin out, and then it would go back to my main bin, not the bin you're working off the desktop. You know, don't make that mistake. You want to go back to that bin, and now I would bring this version back into my bin and get rid of the older one before the crash or after the crash. I hope that makes sense. It probably makes no sense whatsoever, but I'm getting ready for the weekend. I'm going to be drinking tonight at the Blue Collar Post Collective meetup in New York City. Amity Hall, NYC. What am I going to be drinking? I don't know. I'm excited to see. They say they have a selection of craft beers. I'm definitely going to be drinking some session IPAs. Hopefully I'll see somebody there. Well, I'll definitely see somebody there I know, but hopefully I'll meet somebody there I don't know. I'm sure I'll do that too. So that was the AVID Attic explanation. This will save your life at some point. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.